To change the remote control battery in your BOSE Solo soundbar, it's really easy to do. So the battery we need is a CR2032, and we need to turn the remote control around, and you will see this round area here. Use a coin or even your fingers will do it, and just turn it a tiny little bit anti-clockwise like so. So just take this out here and you will see that the battery is located here. If you're not sure, you can always have a look in the lid here and it will tell you what battery you need. There you go, CR2032 or DL2032. Place it in with the positive side facing you. So this side is going to be placed down. And then place the cover back on, and all you have to do is just start rotating it until it clicks into place. So rotate it around clockwise, 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 and bit of pressure down, clicks into place, and then give it the final turn with your fingers or the coin. And now when we turn it on here, the green light comes on. Thanks for watching.